Welcome to the Coinist screencast series, where our aim is to help you better understand how to read and use the charts and data found on our site. Today, my goal will be to show you how to use the ICO return on investment page. Our goal with the charts on our site is to bring tools that have been used in traditional financial markets and apply them to the crypto space. This ROI tool allows you to see the historical price performance of any project in our database based on their ROI since their ICO or token launch. So let's dive deeper into how to examine this data. The first thing you see here is the biggest ROI winners and the biggest ROI losers. By default, the table lists from all categories and from all years. In this example, we see projects like NXT and Ethereum at the top of the list. The reason for this is that these were some of the first projects ever to launch ICOs. If you want to level the playing field and filter the results based on projects from a particular year, you can use a time filter to look for only projects that were launched after a certain date. For example, if we look for projects with the highest ROI from 2018, you'll notice the results change and exclude older projects like Ethereum and NXT. You can also filter by category. Coinist collects very granular category information from projects for analysis within our members-only insiders network. From this drop-down list, you can select from one of over 60 categories to analyze. For example, if you want to see which projects have the best ROI from categories such as digital storage, computer power, mining, or any of our other categories, you can select the category you want to examine in more detail here. For this demonstration, we'll look at blockchain as a service, or BaaS. Now we see the projects with the biggest ROI from only this category. If we want to use two filters, we can do this as well. For example, let's look at the biggest ROI winners from the BaaS category, but let's look at projects from only 2018. Again, notice you'll see the results change. The table for the biggest ROI losers works the same. You can filter results based on year and category. Moving down the page, you see the main ROI table that lists all the projects contained within our database. Within this table, you'll see their 1 hour, 24-hour, and 1 week performance. You'll also see their ICO date, their ICO price, as well as their current price. Calculating the difference between their current price and their ICO price gives us the return on investment since their ICO. It's important to note that all of these columns within the table are sortable in ascending or descending order. You can also look for a particular project using the project search box up here. Lastly, at the bottom of the table, you'll see links to the other pages within the table. If you like this data, we encourage you to check out our other charts by navigating to the ICO charts link in our top navigation bar and viewing the other free charts and data we have available on our site. If you're looking for more in-depth token analysis data, then we encourage you to check out our premium members-only insiders network. Within our insiders network, we're examining and analyzing data in ways that nobody else in the world does to help us identify promising early-stage crypto projects with high probabilities for explosive ROIs. And our goal is to identify these projects before there is any retail hype around them. We hope that you've enjoyed this screencast, and thanks for visiting Coinist.io.